Assalamu alaikum and hello everybody. Welcome to Learn Arabic with Languages for All. In this lesson, we're going to learn 25 basic and essential Arabic phrases. Are you excited? Okay, let's begin. Bismillah. Welcome back everyone. So our first expression is أهلا وسهلا. أهلا وسهلا. أهلا وسهلا means welcome. أهلا وسهلا. Again, أهلا وسهلا. And next one is مرحبا. مرحبا. مرحبا means hello in Arabic. مرحبا. If you want to say how are you to a male in Arabic, you say كيف حالك. كيف حالك. كيف حالك means how are you. But if you're talking to a female, you have to say it in a different way. We say كيف حالك. كيف حالك. كيف حالك means how are you when we're talking to a female. كيف حالك. If someone says to you كيف حالك or كيف حالك, you can reply by saying بخير الحمد لله. بخير الحمد لله. بخير الحمد لله means fine, thanks to God. بخير الحمد لله. If you want to find out what somebody else's name is, you say ما اسمك. ما اسمك. We're saying ما اسمك when we're talking to a male. ما اسمك. What is your name? If we want to find out a girl's name, we say ما اسمك. ما اسمك. ما اسمك means what is your name when we're talking to a female. If someone asks you ما اسمك or ما اسمك, you will reply by saying اسمي and then your name. For example, if somebody says to me ما اسمك, I'll reply by saying اسمي عبدالرحمن. ما اسمك or ما اسمك. If you want to find out where someone is from, you'll say من أين أنت. من أين أنت. We say من أين أنت if we're talking to a male. من أين أنت. If we want to ask a female, where are you from? We say من أين أنت. من أين أنت. من أين أنت means where are you from? And we say من أين أنت when we're talking to a female. If somebody asks you من أين أنت or من أين أنت, you'll reply by saying أنا من and then the name of the country or the city that you're from. For example, if someone asks me من أين أنت, I'll reply by saying أنا من مصر. I am from Egypt. Now you try it. Where are you from? من أين أنت. من أين أنت. أنا من and then the name of the country or the city that you're from. If you want to know if somebody is a student, you ask هل أنت طالب. هل أنت طالب. Are you a student? The word طالب means student. This if you're talking to a male. هل أنت طالب. If we want to ask a female if she's a student, we say هل أنت طالبة. هل أنت طالبة. هل أنت طالبة means are you a student? And it's used when we're talking to a female. Now we're going to learn how to say thank you. Thank you is a word that's important in any language. In Arabic, if we want to say thank you, we say شكرا. شكرا. شكرا means thank you. If someone says shukran to you, you can reply by saying عفوا. عفوا. عفوا means you're welcome. عفوا. Sometimes you want to know if somebody speaks Arabic. If you want to find out, you would say هل تتكلم اللغة العربية؟ هل تتكلم اللغة العربية؟ We say هل تتكلم اللغة العربية if we are talking to a male. هل تتكلم اللغة العربية? If we want to ask a woman, do you speak Arabic? We would say هل تتكلمين اللغة العربية؟ هل تتكلمين اللغة العربية؟ Do you speak Arabic? هل تتكلمين اللغة العربية؟ If you want to ask someone, where do you live? To a male, you will say أين تسكن؟ أين تسكن؟ أين تسكن means where do you live? If we were talking to a female, if we want to say where do you live, we will say أين تسكنين؟ أين تسكنين? Where do you live? If you're talking to a female. If we need to say yes in Arabic, the word is نعم. نعم. نعم means yes. Sometimes we have to say no. The way we say no in Arabic is لا. لا. لا means no. If you're saying goodbye to someone, you can say إلى اللقاء. إلى اللقاء. إلى اللقاء means until our next meeting. إلى اللقاء. The word for goodbye in Arabic is مع السلامة. مع السلامة. مع السلامة means goodbye. If you travel to an Arabic speaking country, you probably heard the phrase Insha'Allah. Insha'Allah. Insha'Allah means God willing. Anytime you're planning to do something, you would say Insha'Allah. For example, if you're planning to travel to Egypt next weekend, you would say I will travel to Egypt next weekend, Insha'Allah. And our last phrase in this lesson is Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah means praise to God, but it's used in a lot of different ways. For example, when we finish a lesson, we say Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Until next time, مع السلامة.